In this video, I will be showing you how to add an integration or an email integration using Convertkit on your Clickfunnels account. So first, from your Clickfunnels homepage, you'll go to your account profile, then add or choose integrations. And then we'll go to add new integration. So since we'll be integrating Convertkit, let's choose the Convertkit here. And then let's give it a nickname. And we'll add the API key. So to get the API key, we'll have to go to our Convertkit account settings. And then here's the API key. You copy and paste it on Clickfunnels, then add integration. So since that's already added, next I'm gonna be showing you how to use this one on your funnel. So we have a funnel here as an example. So we go to the edit product, and we'll go to email integration tab. Select the integration to use. So as you can see here, the integration that we added earlier is already in this options. So choose that one. And then for the action on submit, we're gonna use add to list with tag. And we'll choose the destination. These are the forms. These are the list of forms that you have on your Convertkit account. Okay, so we'll check on that. Now, as you can see, here are all the forms as an example. So that are all the forms that we can find here. So for this example, we're going to use form 7, and then we could make use of the tags to which group you wanted to add the subscription, or you want the email to be added, or the account, or the information to be added. So to add a tag, you're just gonna go to subscribers, scroll down and click on create a tag. See, let's put sample here. I will go back to our funnel. So let's just refresh this list for our tag to show up. Okay, so form 7. And then the tag that we created earlier on our Convertkit account is already in the options here. So let's choose that one and update product. And that's it. It's already added on your funnel account, and it's already integrated. So whenever somebody does or order or purchase from your funnel, it will automatically be added under the group tag in your Convertkit form.